Hey everyone, welcome back. So now we're going to see a truth table of a another compound statement. Here, this statement is known as double implication. Okay, so here this statement is known as double implication. So in English word, we can say that P only if and only if Q, or P is necessary and sufficient condition for Q. Now the double implication is actually equivalent to P implies Q and Q implies P. Okay. So with the double implication, we can, in short, we can say that P only if and only if Q. So let's see the difference between single implication and double implication. So in a single implication, the implication was like, say P implies Q, the meaning was like that. Say if the value of P is it is sunny, Q means school will open. So if it is sunny, school opens. Okay, now let's see, I'm saying that now I'm saying that school will open only and if and only if it is sunny. Okay, now let's write the statement like that. Now I'm writing that school opens. So I'm just changing the direction. The school opens, I'm giving the name of statement P, and it is sunny. The name of the statement, let's see, is Q. Okay, so if I say that if sunny, okay, if Q, then P. Okay, so it means that if it is sunny, then school will open, and we can write that Q implies P. Okay, now again I'm saying that if P, okay, if school opens, that means it is sunny. Now I can write it as like P implies Q. Okay, so if I combine both of the statement, that means that school will open only and only if it is sunny. For any other condition, school is not going to open. Okay, so what I'm saying that if Q, then P is true. If P, then Q is true. If it is sunny, then school will open. School opens. If school opens, means it's sunny. Okay, so Q implies P and P implies true. Okay, so if we find a statement like that, P implies true and Q implies P, then in short it is known as double implication, P double implication Q. And we can tell that P if and only if Q. Okay, or we can tell that school will open if and only if it is sunny. All right, so now you can actually think about the difference between single implication and double implication. In the single implication, we know that if it is sunny, school opens. But if it is not sunny, for these two conditions, we actually do not know what happens. Okay, that's why we just told here, we just wrote here as list here as true, but we do not actually know what happens. We didn't check the condition, what happens if P is false. Okay, now in double implication it says that school will open if and only if it is sunny. It means that for all other condition, all right, for all other condition this is going to be for all other conditions school is not going to open. Okay, or here it is that's how we can write that the double implication, we can say that P implies Q and Q implies P. Okay, means that like If it is sunny, school opens, and school opens means it's sunny. Okay, school opens means it's sunny. All right. All right. So it will be read it like that: P if and only if Q. Okay, or we can also say that Q if and only if P. Okay. All right. Another difference with single implication and double implication. So here, for this condition, let's say use the same example. Say P is it is sunny, Q is school opens. Okay. I can say that for the implication, sunny is actually a sufficient condition. If it is sunny, school opens. It's not. All the condition. It's actually sufficient condition for Q. If it is sunny, you can just school open. You can open the school. Okay. All right. But for double implication, you can say that P is necessary and sufficient condition. It has to be, the P has to be the necessary and sufficient condition for Q. Okay. All right. Now let's find out the truth table. P double implication Q means that P implies true, P implies Q, and Q implies P. This Q implies P also, sometimes we can write that like that. This is actually same. Q implies P. Okay. All right. So that's actually looks like a compound statement created from another two compound statement. So let's find out actually. Let's do that by ourselves. Find out the truth table for double implication. So let's see, we have P, we have Q, and here we are going to need actually a couple of more column. Okay, let's first list out all the combination of P and Q. So if P is true, Q can be both true and false. Just a minute. So true and false. And if P is false, Q can be true and false. Okay. Now first we are going to find out P implies Q. Then we are going to find out Q implies P. And then their combination, double implication, P double implication Q means P implies Q, actually, and